How to make a new order? Click on the New Order button. First, you need to select a category. Let's see what best service they offer. They have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, Telegram, YouTube, and so on. They also provide targeted social media services in the USA, Russia, Turkish, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Arabs, Indonesia, Asian, and European likes and follows. I selected the category of Instagram follower. Then selected this service. Then I copy the Instagram profile link and paste it here. Write here how many views, likes or follows you need. Here is the minimum and maximum amount you can order. Here is your total bill amount. Now click on the Submit button. Above you will see that your order has been created. You can check your order status from Order History.